Want to save time and stay organized? Let's create templates for tasks that you repeat. Welcome to day 29 of the Transform 365 challenge. Today, we are focusing on creating templates, a simple yet powerful way to save time and make your second brain even more efficient. Templates are pre-designed structures for tasks or information that you use repeatedly. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can use a template as a foundation which keeps things consistent and stress free. Start by thinking about tasks or types of information that you deal with regularly. This could be work related tasks like meeting notes or project updates, personal routines like journaling, meal planning, or learning activities like summarizing books or courses. If you frequently take meeting notes, you might notice that you always want to include specific sections for agenda, action items, or follow ups. If journaling is a part of your routine, you might often reflect on prompts like what went well today or what could I improve. By identifying these patterns, you will know exactly where templates can save your time. Now, let's create a template for one of these repeated tasks. For a meetings notes template, you can include sections like agenda, what's being discussed, action items, what needs to be done, and by whom, follow-ups, what are the next steps. Or for a journaling template, you can add prompts like what am I grateful for today, what challenges did I face, and how did I handle them, what's one thing I want to focus on tomorrow. Or for a learning template for books and courses, you could include sections like key takeaways, what stood out to me, how can I apply this in my life, favorite quotes or memorable lines to revisit later. Design your template in a way that feels natural and intuitive for you, whether it's a digital format in Notion or Evernote or a physical format in your notebook. Once your templates are ready, save them in a dedicated folder or section within your second brain so they are easy to find when you need them. In Notion, create a templates page where all your pre-designed structures live. In a physical notebook, reserve the first few pages for templates so you can reference them quickly. This ensures that your templates are always accessible whenever you need them. Creating templates helps you save time by eliminating the need to start from scratch every time. It also helps you stay consistent by ensuring important details are not missed. It reduces decision fatigue so you can focus on what truly matters instead of reinventing the wheel. This practice is especially helpful if you juggle multiple responsibilities. It simplifies your workflow and keeps everything organized. Take some time today to create at least one template for a task or type of information that you use regularly. Next time you start a repeated task, make sure to create a template and then create the first document for it. What template are you creating today? Share it in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to see how templates are helping you streamline your system.